How to prepare Aam ki Launji Rajasthani Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup raw mango, peeled and cubed. 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds, saunf. 1/4 teaspoon nigella seeds, kalonji. 3 teaspoon coriander, dhania powder. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Haldi. 1/3 cup sugar. 2 tablespoon oil. Salt to taste. How to prepare: heat the oil in a pan. Add the fennel seeds, nigella seeds and mango pieces and saute for 2 minutes. Add the coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, sugar and salt with 4 tablespoons of water. Stir and simmer till the sugar has dissolved. Allow to cool completely. Store refrigerated for up to 4 days.